grid, and you just heard some three chirping from our smoke detector. And if you hear those chirping, like this one, that means there's something wrong with your smoke detector. So I just took this one off, and I'm gonna see what's going on inside there. And then we just actually take out the battery first. So you see this face? Like you pull this, and then you take this battery out. And now it's not chirping anymore because there's no more battery. So now I'm gonna check if there's any dirt in here, because if there's chirping sounds, there might be, like, if it's dirty or something. Just gonna open it. Oh, wait, okay. So you have this right here. So this is the sensor, and this is the batteries. And now I'm gonna try to clean the whole thing. Using this thing. Okay, now I'm gonna put back the battery and see if it works or not. Oh, it still beeps. I need to see if it still has the same problem. Oh, it does have the same problem. So now this one is out of life cycle and manufacturing, and then so we just bought another one from Amazon. This one, and you see this is the same one. I'm gonna open it. Take this stuff carefully so we don't break it again. So see, these two are the same ones. And so this one came with the battery, you see right here. Yeah, see? Okay. So if you if you pull this out, then it's gonna start working. Okay. And so you see this date is 2024 February 15th. So it should last to 7 to 10 years. And everybody please check your smoke detectors if they're okay or not. And see you in the next video. Bye.